Good afternoon, everyone. It's Nola. Well, I don't suppose you've all heard, but I somehow got hacked and lost my Facebook page, so I'm not able to get onto Nanny's Attic by Nola even as administration. So I've been trying to sell off the last things that are there, and then I think I'll just come on here and when I have the things to sell, I'll just put them up on here. So I was wandering around in here today and found a couple of kits that didn't sell. This one is pink and green. I don't really want to open it, but it was a lovely kit with some, light pink and green and lots. It was popular. Anyway, it has 33.50 on it, but I'll take $20 for it if somebody wants this one. And you can just call it the pink kit. And you would have to pay the shipping as well. And you get the kit for $20. So then I have another one, which is a blue kit. Now, this one was ordered, but the gal, we just had a parting ways, so she never got it. But this one is very blue, and it's got a silver background on the main fabric. I only had 2 pieces of it. It's so pretty. I put some nice extra gold pieces and whatnot in with it. And I'll take 18 for this one because it's a bit smaller. So if you're interested, the blue one is $18. So that would be the pink kit, the blue kit. And then I have this bow, and this bow measures, let me see. This bow measures 14.5 by 11.5. And I'd like $5 for that. If anybody wants it, just say white bow. And then last but not least, I have some doilies, and I will sell these for $5. So the whole works of them, or what's here. So there's this one, pretty big doily. That one is 20 inches wide. So there's that one. And then another white one, which is 16.5 inches wide. So that's the next white one. Then we have a little runner that is 22 by 12. And that's that one. Very pretty. Then there's a yellow doily, which is 8.5. And then this, I would think this would be a great cover for a doily book. It's thick, but it's not, it doesn't have a hanger or anything on it, so I don't know what the intention was, but it is 7 inches, so you could almost use those two for a doily book. So it'd be the 2 7-inch, then the runner, then this white one, and this white one, all for $5. So if you would like that, please let me know. And I just wanted everyone to know that I'm still around, still kicking. I'll be back on Facebook. Probably, I'm going to try for every day, but I don't know if I'll do that. But if you're interested in any of these things, it's the bundle of doilies, and that's number 157. We have a big white bow, which is number 46. Then we have a pink kit, which is $20. And this gorgeous blue one for $18. So that's it for today. If you want anything, just leave a message below and I will check back there. So thank you very much, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.